Hi and welcome. Today's exercise is based on the order of adjectives. Read the sentences given. All the sentences have the order of adjectives mixed up. Choose the correct order to complete the sentences. The first one, click on the circle next to the option to select it. The first one is, for tonight I want some. The options are delicious and home-cooked sushi food, home-cooked and delicious sushi food, home-cooked sushi delicious food. The second sentence is, I have a dash that I plan to wear to the party tonight. Lace, bluish red top, bluish red lace top, red lace bluish top. The third sentence is, who left this dash apple on my dining table? Whole, rotten, a fortnight old, rotten, whole, a fortnight old, a fortnight old, whole, rotten apple. The fourth option is, he wore some dash trousers to office this morning. 1960s patent cotton discotheque, cotton discotheque, 1960s patent cotton, 1960s discotheque. The fifth option is, this is my dash car, new, shining, sleek, new, shining, new, sleek. Now let us check the answers to the sentences that we have just completed. For tonight I want some delicious and home-cooked sushi food. The second sentence is, I have a bluish red lace top that I plan to wear to the party tonight. The third sentence is, who left this? A fortnight old, full, rotten apple on my dining table. He wore some patent cotton 1960s discotheque trousers to office this morning. This is my sleek, new, shining car.